What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Velo, which has taken a little bit of a dip since earlier this morning. As you guys can see, it did go through quite a pump yesterday, heading to just over the 2 cents value, and right now has taken a dip and currently trading at below 2 cents. So we're going to be going through what is next for Velo. And over the week, as you guys can see guys, it has been very volatile, up and down, but overall it has more or less maintained its value. So is this a recovery point for Velo? Is it going to pump back up in value? Is it going to go for a price breakout potentially in May? Or is it going to keep dropping in value? So we are going to be covering its short-term and long-term prediction in 2024, and mainly looking at both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is this a crypto to be buying right now? Is it too late? Is it one to be selling? Or is it one to be holding on to? So covering both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the dark green zone. However, we are getting close to the resistance level. Last time we did hit that earlier on in the week, we did bounce back up into the dark green zone. Right now we are slowly starting to head back down. However, I'm not expecting it to essentially drop down into the green zone. I'm expecting it to keep bouncing off the resistance level here, as you guys can see, which is the value of just about 2 cents guys, and essentially heading up higher than where it is at the moment over the next couple of weeks. But we will get into this later on. For now, let's hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top we've got the the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Velo, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is trading at slightly higher value here in red, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected from Velo over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. So of course that means it is likely to head over the 2 cents target, as we are not too far off. However, that doesn't mean that we're not going to hit red candles and so on. Of course, we are likely to hit that, as well as green candles. But what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So heading over the 2 cents target is what my expectations are. Moving on to the hourly chart. Next couple of days, what do we have here? We're not looking too great. We do have the orange line and the blue line both looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from Velo over the coming week. So essentially towards the end of next week, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, according to the graph. However, that is not what I'm expecting. Reason being is I'm expecting the crypto market to go for a recovery, heading upwards, hitting green candles, which of course involves Velo as well. So I'm expecting it to head over 0.022 cents in value by the end of next week. So hitting more green days next week is what my expectations are at the moment. However, if there are any major changes to that, I will keep you guys updated as much as possible. Again, I upload, more or less upload daily to keep you guys updated on the latest news and updates that come across that can potentially have an impact on the crypto market. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, we are not looking too great. We still have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected. However, as mentioned earlier, over the long term, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Velo, heading closer to the 3 cents target by late June, early July is what my expectations are at the moment. But because I'm expecting Bitcoin to hit a new all-time high as well, which should see a major positive impact on the crypto market. But then again, as I mentioned, I will keep you guys updated as much as I can. Any updates or news that come across that can affect the crypto market. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale, which we saw earlier on in the video. So yes, we are still trading in the dark green zone. As I mentioned, I'm expecting it to head up to the blue zone potentially over the coming weeks, getting closer to the 3 cents target. But I'm not expecting any major pumps or bull runs. A slow and steady increase in value is what I'm expecting from Velo over the next approximately 2 months. So heading back into the CoinMarketCap website, here we can see the trading volume has gone up over 73% in the last 24 hours, making it over $48 million in trading in the last 24 hours itself, which is quite huge. Again, reason the trading volume has gone up is because of the major pump that's taken place earlier last night. However, since then it has taken a little bit of a dip, so it has gained a lot of attraction from both buyers and sellers point of view, hence why we are seeing the trading volume going up like crazy over the last 24 hours. And again, it hasn't made much of a difference to the actual value of Velo, as it is up just over a percentage. So I've seen a lot of comments online saying Velo is very likely to hit the 10 cents target in 2024, which I disagree with, because for it to hit 10 cents is going to have to go for a crazy increase in value, percentage increase, which I'm not expecting from Velo, at least for the next 12 months. And again, it won't be sustainable even if it does. However, the 5 cents target is a little bit more reasonable. However, even to hit that, it will require a major increase potentially towards the very end of this year, early next year is when I'm expecting Velo to be hitting the 5 cents target. Let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.